Hello, you are welcome. The question here says find angle x below. Now, if you look at this, we have this angle at the circumference here, and then we have this angle at the center. Angle at center is twice that at the circumference. So for us to get this one at the circumference, we are going to divide this angle at the center by 2. So 98 divided by 2 will give us 49. And then we also have sum of angle at a point. Sum of angle at a point. So this is a point. So if this is 98, then for us to get this other part, we should remember that sum of angle at a point is 360. 360. So if this is 98, then this other side will be 262, because 360 minus 98 will give us 262 degrees. So this angle is 262 degrees. Now, don't forget that this is a quadrilateral, a four-sided figure. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. So this is a four-sided figure. So that means all its angle, its 4 angles, must add up to give us 360. So I can simply say one of the angles, which is x plus 49 plus 262 plus 36. Everything should sum up to 360 degrees, which is sum of angle in a quadrilateral. Hope you are getting it. Now, let's add these values. 49, okay, let me put x here. This is x plus 49 plus 262. That will give us exactly 311. 311 plus 36 is equal to 360. Now let me put the x again. 311 plus 36 will give us 347 and is equal to 360 degrees. So now I can say x will be equal to 360, which is this value. When this plus 347 goes to the right hand side, it becomes minus 347. And then from there, I can finally get the value of x as x is equal to 360 minus 347 will give me 13 degrees. So the value of x is 13 degrees, and that's the final answer. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, share, and join this page for more videos. Thank you for watching.